All right. Hey everyone, I'm Coos Tech Ninja, and today we're going to dive into the latest advances in AI. What's new, what's game changing, and most importantly, how you can use tools to get edge in business and even personal life. From smarter automation AI copilots, let's break it down. So, first, I wanted to cover the different types of AI tools. So, we have general LLMs, which are large language models. So, these are broader systems like Anthropic's Claude. So, we have Claude here. We also have tools like Perplexity, which is more search related. Um, then we also have AI-powered automation tools, so Bolt AI. So with them, you can create apps and streamline business workflows. So Bolt, here's a use case we'll look at later. But yeah, this is built for making apps essentially. And then we also have code tools like Replit and Cursor. Cursor is one you have to download, where Replit is online and creates assets that you can deploy all online. There's also creative and personal tools, some fun ones. I got lost in Suno for a couple hours. That's one where you create your own music, and Descript, which actually I'll be running my YouTube video through to this YouTube video through for editing. Hopefully, we'll remove some of these filler words, shorten word gaps, things like that. So let's look at our use case in Replit. So for this one, I created just a random Joe's Awesome Taco Shop. So simply through some queries, I said, hey, make a landing page with waitlist where users can sign up for new product. Actually, that's their default one. Make a landing page for my food truck. It should have a Google map for my location, menu items, and contact info. I gave them my name. And then it suggested an online ordering system, customer review section, real-time location tracking, and daily specials management. And I said, okay, and click those checkboxes. And then in about 3 to 5 minutes, it created. Oh no, sorry, wait, that's way too long. It was only about 30 seconds, and it created this awesome landing page. So now I'm continuing. I said, "Yep, looks great so far." Now it says, "Hey, what else do we want to do? Let's do an online ordering system." Okay, so now it's going to think about it, and it's going to make those changes. And here it's even talking about how you can deploy. So usually a low traffic app costs less than $1 a month, with high traffic apps costing more like $10. So it can actually help you deploy infrastructure to actually launch this website. So that's a good use case there. Let's move on to the next tool. Look at that. Oh, okay. So these are all the changes that's going to apply to the code base that I already built. Okay. So that's when we look at Joe's Awesome Tacos. We can also, one of my favorite things to do is taking something like ChatGPT and helping you say, hey, I want to create a website in Replit. Help build me a prompt so I can give it a really specific thing. And it can even say, ask me questions so you can define it more. So then we got Replit. So let's look at our Bolt use case. So for Bolt, I thought this would be a cool one. I said build an app or program that monitors a list of local government sites for RFPs, so requests for pricing, and email me an alert when new opportunities are posted, and even suggest ways my business can fulfill the services. So what I really liked about this response was that it said, hey, when you're scraping government websites, like you need to look at the legal implications. And so and then it said, hey, this is the kind of infrastructure we would need. These are the kind of tools we would need to build. And then said, hey, for a more compliant approach, let's make it maybe look for official APIs and data feeds. So here it gave me some options from where we wanted to go from here. And I said, well, let's just build a prototype that demonstrates concept. So it built all these different documents and pieces of code to essentially build this little app that is saying we're monitoring these different government entities. Ooh, it's even got a refresh button. So now we got new RFPs in here. So we got the dollars and even, so let's look at the details. Ooh, can we? Okay, so no details, but it gives us the details on how we can actually like gives us the details of the RFP. Okay. So Anthropic and Perplexity. So Perplexity is a really easy tool. So for this one, this is really just like the new way to search using AI. So this one I said I'll be visiting San Antonio next week, looking for small business owners to network and sell my technology consulting services to. So what event should I attend? Gave me a list of events, why it says I should go, dates and times, awesome stuff. So Claude is it's very similar to ChatGPT. but it thinks maybe deeper. So it's more like a deep research where ChatGPT is just now, that's like a premium feature. So here I was saying like, my ideal client is this. I own a business in Coos Bay based on market trends. Give me a marketing plan. And man, I mean, it gave me step by step the different assessments, why it would matter. Um, so here's my channel strategy. I should go to the Chamber of Commerce, a LinkedIn strategy. I mean, it gives you all these details, and then you can give it more feedback and even tell it to retry. So it's basically like ChatGPT, but maybe thinks a little deeper. Where ChatGPT will be there very soon with a new deep research tool. Yeah, so human like reasoning and memory, perplexities, yeah, real times, because it's basically a new way to cite, and yeah, it gives you new citations, new way to search. Suno. So I've created some songs. Basically, it's got a 200 character limit, and I created some theme songs for my business and a theme song for my dog. I'll be posting those on YouTube. I think they're pretty fun. Um, but I imagine it's because it's very personalized to me. I think this is a really fun way to kind of kill some time, have some fun with your friends. I mean, if you're looking for good music, especially like for kids and stuff, this would be a really fun way to build some music. You can go build some clean music. The new beta model may generate content that is offensive, and in my experience, yeah, it generates. It basically always throws cuss words in there. And then Descript, I'll be running this video through there. So I can't talk too much about it yet, but we'll see how the final video comes out. All right, so I went through these tools, maybe too much in depth. My hope was that you gained some value out of this video, saw some of the tools out there, and essentially there's a lot of different. So I'm hoping that in this video you gain some value, learn about some of the tools out there, especially some of the fun ones like Suno. ChatGPT has all kinds of custom models, so ChatGPT is kind of like the AI tool right now. They're integrating really well. They're probably gonna have agents soon. So ChatGPT is kind of like the default model, but some of these other special models, especially like coding and for small business owners building applications and system connections and integrations, it makes it so you can really kind of do a lot of the stuff in house. But it's really about knowing which tool to use and what for which use cases. So that's all I have today. Thank you so much.